Why does your supervisor keep saying the same thing over and over again? Needs more clarity. At first, it sounds vague, frustrating even. You wrote the chapter, you explained the idea, so why do they keep coming back to clarity? Because in thesis writing, clarity is everything. Your supervisor is not asking you to make your research simpler. They're asking you to make your thinking easier to follow. A thesis can contain strong ideas, valuable data, and original findings. But if the writing is unclear, the argument gets lost. And that's a serious problem. Often, lack of clarity doesn't mean you don't understand your topic. It means the reader can't easily follow your logic. Maybe your paragraphs are too dense, maybe your sentences are too long, maybe your methodology, results, and conclusions are not fully connected, or maybe you've explained something in your mind, but not fully on the page. Supervisors notice that, because examiners will too. And examiners won't stop and ask what you meant. They'll simply judge what's written. That's why clarity matters so much. It improves readability, strengthens your argument, and makes your thesis feel more professional, credible, and academically mature. At Thesis-Edit.com, we help students turn confusing writing into clear academic communication. We improve structure, flow, sentence clarity, and logical connection, without changing your research or ideas. Because when your writing becomes clearer, your thesis becomes stronger. If your supervisor keeps asking for clarity, don't panic. It doesn't mean your research is weak. It means your writing needs expert refinement. And that's exactly what Thesis-Edit.com is here for.